Hey guys, good afternoon from beautiful Southern Nevada. We're outside the small town of Nelson. Just love it out here. But hey, listen, today we're going to take a look at two Rock Island revolvers, the model 206 and its big brother, the model 200. So you know what, I bought this one about 4 years ago, did a review on it, was really quite impressed with it because they are rather inexpensive. So I bought this one 4 years ago, bought this one 3 years ago. I've done reviews on both of them, but I've never had them both in the same video. So that's what we're going to do today. Going to just kind of compare them side by side. But right now we're going to go back into my shop. We're going to take a close look at both of these, and then we'll come out here and put a few rounds through them. Okay, so both revolvers come in a hard plastic case, and we're going to start off with the M206. Now this one has a 2-inch barrel and it weighs 1.5 pounds, and it is made in the Philippines, and holds 6 rounds, single action and double action. And I do want to mention it comes with 2 sets of grips, this polymer set of grips, and it also comes with these wooden grips. For my big hands, I like these bigger grips. I do want to mention this is California and Maryland compliant, and it does have a black parkerized finish. And I do want to mention that Rock Island says these are rated for plus P, but only use plus P ammo when necessary. So that tells me I really don't want to put a lot of plus P ammo through these revolvers. You know, the double action pull on this, really not bad at all. And, you know, just a fun little gun to shoot. And I do want to mention you can get these nickel plated, and you can also get them without a hammer spur. I also want to mention this is a rough copy of the Colt Detective Special. In fact, the speed loader that I like to use is a HKS, and it's a DS model. DS for Detective Special. And, you know, I really like using these speed loaders, and I do have 6 dummy rounds, by the way. Just put them in, turn the knob on the bottom to lock them into place. And just like that. The Model 200, now it's the same as the 206, except this one has a 4-inch barrel, and it weighs 1.76 pounds. And, you know, again, has a very nice double action trigger pull. And this one only comes with the hard polymer grips on it. And according to the website, this one is Maryland compliant. So, let's see. So there's a Model 200, and here's the 206. All right, let's take a look at ammunition. And I have some Herders, 38 Special, 130 grain full metal jacket. And I have Remington HTP, semi-jacketed hollow point. This is 110 grains, 38 Special plus P. And this is what they look like. All right, time to do a little shooting. And I'm going to start off with the Model 206, the little snub nose. Now, the biggest concern on a inexpensive revolver is the timing. You know, there's a lot of moving parts when you fire double action. And if something is broke or worn, it could cause all kinds of problems. So we're going to load up 6 rounds and check the timing on this Model 206. So let's see what happens. And I think I will shoot the bottom target, double action. Oh yeah, perfect. All right, let's try the Model 200. Again, 6 rounds. Come on, son. There's 3, 4, 5, 6. If we come down here, there's 3 rounds right there.
You know, Pops, I don't know if I've ever shot this, so I'm gonna give it a shot. Nice.
Hey, so what do you think?
Shoots good, I like it.
Oh. Not bad.
Not bad.
Okay, the old man's gonna try it. 2 rounds. And I do have earplugs in.
Oh, we're tied.
We're tied.
All right, let's try that with the 200. Oh!
Close.
Well,
Right,
one of those days.
Turn. All right. That's how you do it, son.
Oh!
Nice. First shot.
You know, I think I got 1 round left. I'm going to go ahead and try that plate.
There you go.
All right.
All right. Okay, so I have a can of shaving cream set up. This time I'm going to use the snubby. Son, because I'm using this, you're going to give me 2 shots at it?
Yeah, why not?
All right, 2 shots.
Oh!
You know, I really do like these little guns. All right. Ready. Aim. Fire. After you're done, we'll go check it. Leave the cylinder open.
Oh yeah, we got him.
We got him. We got him. Hey, right now I have 4 rounds loaded in the Model 206. Son, the first 2 rounds are going to be 38 special, and then the next 2 rounds will be the Remington Plus P hollow point ammo, okay?
Okay.
So I want you to fire all 4 rounds and tell me if you can tell any difference in the recoil.
Got it.
Again, first 2 rounds standard, the second 2 rounds Plus P ammo. There you go.
All right. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, there's a little difference there. A little more recoil and definitely a little bit louder as well.
Hey guys, there you go. The Model 206 and the Model 200. I like them both. They've both been great little revolvers, and I'm glad I bought them. Anyways, thanks for watching our video. We'll see you guys next time. Hit that like button if you would. Subscribe. You know, all that good stuff. We would really appreciate it. Son, I have 138 Special Plus P hollow point. You want it?
Sure.
All right, let's do it. Oh yeah! Ha 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 ha!